Alright, YouTube, welcome back to the channel, ladies and gents. Today's little video, as you can tell by the title and by what you're looking at on the screen, this is the unboxing of the Bull Armory Tac Pro Comp. This is my very first 2011, literally zero experience. Hell, I don't even got a 1911. So 1911, 2011 platform, zero experience other than shooting one of my buddies back in California. So this is my first 2011. I've been waiting on this thing ever since they announced it back at whatever SHOT Show, was it 24, 25? I don't know. But ever since they announced it way back when, and the price was still $2,600, and then it crept up to $27. And then it was at $29.90. I'm like, Jesus Christ. But I stayed the course. I held out. Well, I didn't really hold out. I was waiting for the Kimber 2K11 comps to come in different colors. So between this, the Kimbers, and the Radian Ramjet Prime, those were the three things that I was waiting on. This popped up first, just surprisingly. I just happened to jump on the website that day and they said, available this date, June 12th. And I was like, no freaking shot. Was it June 12th? I don't know. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was, whatever. Available this date. And so I freaking sat there and I was like, all right, I'll be waiting on June 12th. And June 12th came, I refreshed the page, refreshed the page, and I'm sitting there trying to check out. And finally, they were available. Add to cart showed up. And I did, and nothing happened. And I did again, and nothing happened. Waited. White screen, white screen, white screen. Okay, let me go to my phone. Went to my phone, same thing. Add to cart, nothing happened. Add to cart, nothing happened. Add to cart, +1, oh shit, is in there. Check out, refresh, check out. It was a hassle, to say the least. I had like 3 windows on the computer. Those didn't work out. Tried it on my phone, that didn't work out. Went back to the computer, was able to get one in the cart, and checked out successfully. So here it is. Let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Enough rambling on, man. Nice little case. Let's go ahead and get that out of there. Get this box out of my damn way. I don't really want to throw it because it's kind of nice. There she is. Let's go ahead and what's in this thing first. Let's open up this front pouch. Nothing. I'm gonna back you guys out just so you guys don't miss anything. Just a little bit. There you go. Don't mind my dusty table is out here in the garage and I'm sweating like a pig. So 1 zip, 2 zip. Oh, didn't zip it all the way. Nice little carrying case. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't think I'm gonna put this in with the regular ones. Lock, of course. Gone on over his America registration card, a donation card, yeah, membership card. Got some swag. Oh, is that a patch? No, it's a sticker. So I've seen videos about this thing, man, and I just knew I was not gonna be able to get it, but here we are. It was a patch. I mean, Bull Armory Pro patch. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Got a couple stickers. What's this here? Oh, what is that for? Make sure I don't lose that. Couple stickers, good guns only. That's pretty tight. Let's see, oh, mag wheel. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's probably what this is. What this little guy's for. Actually, no. I think this has its own tool in there. Yeah. No, it's a pin. So maybe that's what this is for. I don't know. Set them both to the side for now. What else we got in here? Some more recoil springs. I thought these were labeled. Oh, there it is. Yep, 8-pound and your 10-pound. And I saw someone on YouTube say they reached out to Bull Armory, and I guess it ships with a 9-pound spring already installed. So I don't plan on swapping it out. All my ammo should be good. These are my plates for whatever optic I plan on running on it. I already have a O-Sight SE, and for those of you, oh, why put an O-Sight? Man, shut up. Y'all be out here with freaking dots worth more than your damn gun and can't shoot that bitch worth a damn. Shut y'all asses up. And cleaner supplies. And of course your owner's manual. Cool, let's go ahead and package that back up. I'm not gonna make you guys sit through that, so I'll skip by. Get that out of the way. 1, 2, 3, and 4 mags installed. That's pretty badass. All right, let's go ahead and turn it around back the other way. Uh-oh, I don't know where that drop just went to. I think it freaking, I don't see where it fell. Got freaking Google messages going off. Person seen, garage camera. Yeah, I see the guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mag holders. That's pretty cool. Like I said, we got 4 of them in the box. Damn. This is a pretty nice case. I probably will not take it out of this case. It's probably gonna stay here. I'm not gonna lie to you. I was wondering how it's gonna look with an optic, but I don't think she's gonna fit with that optic. Maybe, be a damn close fit. Okay, I saw that drop. It almost fell on my screen. Sorry guys, I'm sweating like a pig. Trying to get this mag out and talk at the same damn time while sweating. It is a nice mag. Proprietary mags, so not your standard 2011 mags. As these hold an extra round in them compared to your standard 20 or standard capacity mags, 2011 mags. But proprietary, only for the bulls. So if you have other bulls, then you'll be good to go. But this is my first bull, and it came with 4 mags, so I think I'm good to go. See a lot of people bitching about that, and it's not just for bull armor. It's other guns as well that come with proprietary mags. What does it matter, bro? Like, shut up. Oh, if only it came with Glock mags. It doesn't come with Glock mags, no go. It doesn't come with SIG mags, no thank you. Why they're on proprietary? Shut up. The mags are like freaking cheap. Like if you can't, you can afford a damn gun, you can afford the mags. Shut the fuck up complaining about proprietary damn mags. Jesus Christ. It comes with mags, and if it's not enough for you, like how many mags are you putting through these damn things where you just need 50 mags for every damn thing you're shooting? Like, bro, calm down. Like, it comes with 4, and if it bothers you that bad, buy some more. They're not that expensive, bro. Calm down. You can afford this, you can afford some extra mags. So let's go ahead and get it out of this bag. Oh, it's sealed, like completely sealed. Jesus. All right, let's go ahead and bust it out the wrapper. Bust it out the wrapper. Oh man, I'm so excited. My first 2011, man. This thing is tough. Ooh. Just get that off of there. That's gonna drive me crazy. Didn't even get time to put this damn thing up there. Yikes. Let me grab something to cut that off real quick. Alrighty, there she is. Let's get that out of the way. Oh my God, that feels so good. Let's get that mag out of there. I want to do the 2011 rack. I want to do it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Try the pinky. Oh, guys, no effort. Oh, I'm about to jizz. It's about to happen. That was me. I'm sorry. Oh my God. It's got some grease on it, the shipping grease and all that jazz. It's got that link trigger system that we've all heard about. I don't see any triggers, so I guess that doesn't come with it. They don't send any extra. That's cool. I probably will swap it out to one of the flat face ones. I like, oh my God. Oh my God. That's nothing. Guys, that is nothing. What did I just do? Oh, I wasn't engaging the safety. See, that's my only gripe about 2011s is that damn grip safety. I literally wasn't holding it all the way. I was trying to show you guys, so I didn't have my hand on it like that. And I was like, what the hell's going on? So, hey, first 2011, so I'm learning, guys, I'm learning. One more time, show you guys. Hopefully engage the safety. Am I not engaging again? Nope, not engaging again. Jesus Christ. All right, let me just, am I bucking? Oh, I put the damn safety on. What an idiot. I put the freaking safety on. Oh my God, that's nothing. This is scary. Oh, what? Oh my God, all right, I gotta, guys, that is nothing. What is that, like a 2-pound trigger pull? That thing is featherweight. I gotta keep doing it. Hold up. Want to see the reset? Oh yeah. Man, that is, guys. Wow. Wow. I didn't even mention the coin. Got a cool little bull armor coin. Uh-oh. That's gonna piss some people off. I already seen it piss some people off. That's definitely gonna piss some people off. But my money don't care. You guys can be mad at whatever people and group of persons you want to be. Look at my skin, look at my skin. You guys mad at me for no reason any damn way. Don't care, used to it. I don't have any hate towards those people, but you guys do what you want. Oh, I gotta stop. I gotta stop. That is insane. I cannot wait to get this damn thing to the range, guys. I'm sweating like a pig out here, but I gotta make this freaking video, man. So let me check out the, okay, I see. So this is the standard one that comes up there. Nothing fancy, this is the polymer grip. You guys can hear it? So yeah, but damn, it feels good in the hand, I tell you. And that trigger, holy shit. That is nothing, man, nothing. Nice, boom, oh wait, boom. Easy, easy on and off right there, too easy. Too easy. Fit and finish is gonna go crazy with this thing, man. I can't get over that. You just gotta do this 50 freaking times. Serrations, oh my God, the serrations bite. But you don't even, it's just so easy. Like, what? Guys, man, this thing is gonna freaking, woo, boy, this is gonna fly. I cannot wait. I gotta get this thing loaded up, guys. This is too freaking much. My first 2011, guys. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Now, usually I would do the first unboxing and first shots video together, but this time, this is such a special occasion. I think we're gonna skip this one. This is strictly just the unboxing video, but man, I couldn't wait for this damn thing. It was a pain in the ass to get checked out. As you can obviously see, I went with the silver over the black, mostly because what I saw on the black one was, I don't know, I just didn't want a plain black gun. I just didn't. If I was spending this kind of money, I wanted it to look special. And I think that tuxedo silver with the black combo, I think that is freaking phenomenal. Looks the part. Oh my God. I cannot wait to get this thing to the range. It feels so solid in there. Oh, what did they say? Let's do the, oh man, there's nothing. There's nothing. Wiggling it side to side to see if you can induce any. There's nothing. Holy hell, guys. Man, yeah, let's go ahead and get that optic put up there. But won't do that in the video. But like I said, man, this thing, oh, my first 2011, I got no words, man. I got no words. I haven't even shot the damn thing yet. I've seen tons of videos about it. All I've been doing is watching videos about this and the Radiant, because they both came out around the same damn time. So once I ordered this, I was like, well, I guess I got me one and it's freaking coming. And yeah, went and picked it up immediately. Didn't even let them call, didn't even let the FFL call me to let me know that it was in. As soon as I saw it delivered, I was like, all right, they got to the time I get off of work to call me. I got off work, I still had no calls. So I was like, yep, don't care. I'm going my ass up there. So freaking changed clothes, shot my tail up there, picked it up, came on home. But man, this thing is too freaking nice, buttery freaking smooth. I can't wait to get it out on the range, man. So strictly talking 2011s, my choices and what I really wanted was the 2011 or the TAC Pro. I wanted the TAC Pro as soon as they freaking announced it, as soon as I saw it on the Bull Armory's website. I've seen, what was it, Nightwood specials or Nightwood and PewView. They both speak highly about this thing, and I watched both of their channels and I see all the reviews they put out on the other Bull Armory. So I was sold on getting a Bull eventually. And when I finally went to check them out and I saw this thing was coming 2025 or Q3 2025, I'm like, okay, cool. Q2 rolls around, Q3 rolls around, Q4 rolls around, nothing. I'm like, all right, coming 2026. I'm like, that's not a good sign. Why does it keep getting freaking pushed? And it just kept getting pushed and pushed and pushed and pushed. And finally it popped up, like I said, and I just happened to be on the website today. Just check out Bull Armory today. I checked it, it told me it's gonna be live or available this date. And I'm pretty sure it was June 12th. I have to go back and look, but pretty sure it was June 12th. And yeah, I'll wait it right there, June 12th. Refresh, refresh, refresh. And I was lucky enough to get one. I see a lot of people I joined the Bull Armory Facebook page, saw a lot of people in there butthurt. They didn't get theirs, calling them scammers, calling them all sorts of names, yada, yada, yada. And then, just a sec, guys. Ooh, ooh. And then in the non-Bull Armory pages, just the other gun pages where they talk about these, like comments and stuff like that, on Pewview's page. Honest, I don't think Honest Outlaw has a thing for this yet. I'm not sure. But Pewview's page, Nightwood's page, they all speak about that symbol right there and where the gun originates from. Like I said, guys, if that's what you get hung up on, you do you. I stay out of that stuff. I see something that's freaking badass, I want it for myself. I don't care about none of that geopolitical, whatever nonsense, the government, the whatever you guys are freaking getting hung up on and what drives you and what makes you angry. I do not care. I don't let that stuff influence me in any sort of way. You do you. It's your money. You spend it wherever you want, and I'll spend mine however I want. I don't get caught up in any of that stuff. You can feel however you want about a certain group of people. Like how you feel about these guys, I'm going to buy the shit that I like. It's point blank, period. You guys can do what you want to do with yours, but the comments that I see, they're pretty wild. Like, oh, made in Israel? Absolutely not. You're not getting anything from me. Absolutely not. But, yeah, they'll say Miami, Florida, but you know, you guys do what you want. Whatever. You guys do what you want, man. Oh man, that's buttery. Everything about it is just buttery. Whew. But anyway, enough rambling on TubeView. That's all I got for you guys, man. Like I said, didn't want this video to run on too long because if I would have done the shooting portion along with the unboxing, I knew it would have ran on forever. So that's coming in a separate video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that one, man. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If it's your first time stopping by, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you guys get a notification these videos go up. So go to the Instagram channel at low376soul, all one word. I'll put it down in the description. Until next time, TubeView, I'm out of here. Peace.